If Lucidchart is down today, freezing on load, or just not opening your files, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to check whether it's a real outage or a local issue on your browser or network. We'll go step by step so you can get back into your diagrams as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, go to the official Lucid status page and check whether there are any reported incidents or scheduled maintenance. This is always the best first step because if the service itself is having trouble, there may be nothing wrong on your side at all. If the status page shows an outage, the best move is usually to wait for Lucid to resolve it and keep checking for updates. If the status page looks normal, the next thing to do is test Lucidchart in a private browsing window. Open an Incognito window in Chrome or a private window in Firefox or Safari, then sign in and try opening your document again. This simple test helps you figure out whether the problem is caused by your browser cache, cookies, or a conflicting extension. If Lucidchart works in private mode, that's a strong sign the issue is local to your browser. In that case, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows or Command, Shift, and Delete on a Mac. Set the time range to all time, then check cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data and try Lucidchart again. If the problem still continues, you should disable browser extensions one by one. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and even some antivirus extensions can interfere with Lucidchart loading properly. Turn off your extensions temporarily, then refresh the page and see if the app starts working. If it does, re-enable them one at a time until you find the one causing the conflict. Next, check your network and VPN settings. If you're on a company network, a school network, or using a VPN, disconnect from it temporarily and try again. Sometimes firewalls, proxies, or security filters block the connection that Lucidchart needs. A really useful test is switching to a mobile hotspot. If Lucidchart loads on the hotspot, then your main network is probably the issue. Finally, if only one specific document is refusing to open, the file itself may be the problem. Go to your Lucidchart dashboard, right-click the file, and choose Make a Copy. Then try opening the duplicate version instead. This can help if the original document is corrupted, overloaded, or struggling to render. So to recap, the fastest way to fix a Lucidchart outage today is to check the status page first, test in incognito mode, clear cache and cookies, disable conflicting extensions, check your VPN or network, and duplicate the file if only one document is affected. If this helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick troubleshooting tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.